Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare DHEA versus To-NOT Melkybere. DHEA, or dehydroepiandrosterone, is a natural steroid hormone made by your adrenal glands. It's a crucial precursor, meaning it helps your body produce other important hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Understanding its role is key to seeing how it might impact your health compared to not supplementing. Many people consider DHEA for its potential benefits. Studies suggest it might help maintain bone mineral density and support muscle mass, which can be especially important as we age. Some users also experience improved mood, increased energy levels, and a general sense of well-being. It's also a focus in research regarding anti-aging and cognitive function. Now let's consider To-NOT Melkybere, which essentially means not taking DHEA. Without supplementation, your body's natural DHEA levels generally decrease after age 30, potentially impacting various bodily functions. While DHEA offers potential benefits, it's important to be aware of possible side effects, such as acne, oily skin, or even some hair thinning in certain individuals. So who might consider DHEA? Generally, it's individuals with medically confirmed low DHEA levels, often identified through blood tests. However, it is absolutely crucial to consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting any DHEA regimen to ensure it's appropriate for you and to discuss proper dosage. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.